We define open staggers as those with significant downriver vertical distance between consecutive gates. Competence in this area should be achieved before moving on to tight staggers. Use of the highlighted technique will result in the best outcome. A sequence of 3 to 5 gates should ideally be positioned on moving or white water with consistent flow and minimal features. Gates should be spaced close enough vertically and horizontally so that successful execution is only achieved with the appropriate open stagger technique. So let's have a first look. The athlete should ideally approach each gate so the apex of the turn is above the gate line and at a point where movement can be initiated towards the following gate. For an onside stagger, initiate the turn using an onside bow rudder before the gate line. This turn is slightly over-rotated so that when the boat crosses the gate line, the bow rudder can be converted to a powerful upstream pull under the pole, driving the boat towards the next gate. So now let's have another look at that in its entirety. The athlete should ideally approach each gate so the apex of the turn is above the gate line and at a point where movement can be initiated towards the following gate. For an offside stagger, initiate the turn using an onside sweep stroke before converting to a crossbow bow rudder prior to the gate line. As the body crosses the gate line, the crossbow is sliced forward under the pole into a forward pull, so the tail is pulled in line with the bow, driving towards the next gate before returning to onside paddling. So now let's have another look at that in its entirety.